What's up guys, Wilson here and welcome to our latest project vlog, which is of this brand new 2023 Ferrari Portofino M. Now this owner is a longtime customer of ours and an avid Ferrari collector, and he just picked up this car speccing it with this beautiful paint, which is Ferrari's Tour de France blue. Now what we're going to do on this car is a full-body custom ClearGuard Alpha PPF installation, protecting all of the beautiful paint from road debris and from any kind of potential rock chips. So we're going to move this in, check out this process, and at the very end I'll show you some close-ups of the final results and also explain to you why certain panels are more difficult than your typical cars. So check this out. Alright guys, this project is now completed, so what I want to do is actually run through some of the panels that are a little bit more difficult for this car and show you how we do it as compared to how a pre-cut kit will normally protect certain panels. So first off, let's talk about the hood. This is a fairly big hood, and in the middle you see that there are two vent openings. When we come a little closer, you can see some of the details, how we bring the film right up to the edge as close as possible so you don't see that seam sitting on the outside. The same thing is done on the corners and edges where we wrap wherever possible, so to maximize protection, but at the same time it looks like there's no film on there at all. Another example of this would be this front bumper, where normally if this was a pre-cut template, you would get a joining seam right about here. You would get some gappage around the Partronic systems and elsewhere along the edges. This was done as a single sheet installation, custom installed as always, to make it, again, as seamless as it can get while maximizing protection. Every other panel on this car is done the exact same way, so what you're looking at right now is the most seamless install possible. Now, one more panel I want to highlight, and also the most difficult panel on the Portofino M, is this rear trunk. Now, just by the sheer size of this makes it a little bit difficult to handle paint protection film on here. But there are also some fairly extreme compound curvatures around this area, and the film also wraps around this way, that in essence makes this really difficult. The way we did it, again, one-piece custom installation. If this was a pre-cut template, you would normally get a seam that joins right about there, and if it's not joined well, it could really stick out like a sore thumb. Now, as you can see, we wrapped the film, one single sheet. Even on these areas behind the emblems and the antennas, it is as seamless as it can get. Now, for those of you who have been following us for a long time, you know that we use ClearGuard Alpha exclusively, and for such a beautiful paintwork, such as this Tour de France blue, we can't use anything less. So guys, I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and follow. And until our next one, I'll see you soon.